Thrust Maxx is marketed as a top-tier male enhancement supplement, claiming to boost libido, stamina, and overall performance, but does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped product? The company makes bold claims such as being the #1 formula, but there's no actual ranking or proof to support this. They also state that it's backed by extensive scientific research, yet they failed to provide any real studies or clinical trials. Another questionable claim is that users can start seeing results in a week, which lacks verification and seems like a marketing gimmick. They mention that it's made in an FDA-approved facility, but this is misleading because the FDA does not approve dietary supplements, only the facilities where they are made. Perhaps the biggest red flag is the claim that it cures erectile dysfunction naturally, which is not only false but also a dangerous medical claim. On top of that, the company does not disclose potential side effects, leaving consumers in the dark about any risks. While some of the ingredients may have potential benefits, the lack of transparency and exaggerated promises make it difficult to trust the effectiveness of Thrust Maxx. It's not necessarily a scam, but it's also far from being the miracle solution it claims to be. If you're considering trying it, be cautious, do your research, and consult a medical professional before making a decision.